Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to the family. Guys, don't forget to like up the videos, comment more than one time, and turn on that post notification bell. You guys know what I'm about to say. It's important. The bell is important, guys, so you can be notified every time I post a new video. I am so happy to be giving you guys Vlogmas. Happy December 1st. Welcome to Vlogmas day 1. I can't believe that I said this. Guys, may your month be filled with joy, peace, love, prosperity, comfort, everything that is good. Make a kickstart Vlogmas day 1. Guys, I know you can't see my background right now. Everything is all over the place. From the other day, I've been trying to organize, putting stuff together. I went and did, you know, the last look of shopping. I chose the curtain. I'm going to show you. I hope you like it. You see it? I probably see it in the background, but yeah. I went ahead, chose the curtain. I still not get none for the one for my bedroom. I still not get no middle piece seat. But anyways, if I not get what I look for, I'm going to just feel like a solid textured white. But for now, I have a lot of stuff to get done. So we're going to kickstart Vlogmas day 1 by ironing. I hate that. I don't love to iron. None at all. Comment below and let me know how you feel about that. I just feel like you should have put the things on the line and them just straighten. I think you can do that though. Like if you don't ring it, the water can. Anyways, I don't love iron. I don't really love the iron board here, but it's not bad. It's not bad at all. I don't know, I just like the board one. But this can work. Yeah, no, but it can work. It feels sturdy. Why so low? Can't go no more. Wait, how this work? This is it. Alright, so we'll put this one side so we can show you the curtain then. Alright, so this is the curtain I chose. Yep, it's coffee brown. I really love it and it complements. See? Oh, cute! Yo! So I read all the comments and majority of us say if choose like brown. And it's a different shades of brown, but my figure say when they say okay, a brown shade would have worked best with this. I was thinking the same thing as well. I went for coffee brown and I really love it. Like when I came home and put them together, super cute. So thank you so much, guys. Aww, I'm too sweet. I'm not gonna get it out. Let me see how the material here stay first, because last time I did have to put something over that one day for iron it. What's suppose my partner did not do a 95. How I manage? Can't do it, and I just don't love to do it. All the way going, I'm just excited to set up a Christmas tree. Already hot. Oh, put it on the right side. What a material your name? Polyester. When you put water in the iron, it's best if you don't use chlorine water, because the chlorine will stop up the whole way spray through. Looks so much better. If you see it have like some wet spot, don't worry about that. It's gonna dry. You know, sometimes when you spray the water out of the iron, it come out heavy. But anyways, this is it. So this is the before. You see how it would look when we put it up? Can't manage that. But we just spend the extra time and iron them. I have no problem. So I'll get back to you guys when I'm done. Break. So I iron 6 of them already. I have 4 leave. Let me show you. Throw them over the little ladder here. Hopefully them not crease up underneath because I'm not iron them again. If them here crush up back, I saw them I go. But I think I did a good job with these. Everything is a mess. At least the kitchen clean. If no one ever clean, the kitchen did have to clean. Girl still wash with the hand and everything me put in a machine. So guys, I'm here Jason in the background and yes, you don't know how teamwork go just hang out the clothes them, but yeah, I wash my towel them and then I go get back to Uno.
Somebody go find something say, why hang out this so not always this what happened? Somebody gonna say something about me I do. Jesus.
What somebody gonna say?
Somebody gonna say he hang out this or what? He wrong side up, he upside. Listen man.
Guys, I put on some hang out on the line but I not trouble them. I make him do what I do. But yeah. I mean them I go dry. That's the best part.
Okay. This hard place. You know must dry. Come I can see valley of the desert of heat.
Wait the babe, fix it.
When I say to you, boy, I must not do when I hang up my thing then. I never look on you see.
I'm not trouble. When the boy hang out clothes and I go wash my towel them and stuff that I don't put in the machine. Alright guys, so I have to pause. I run got my nail appointment and come back. Back home. This is what I did to my nails. You know, something simple. Normally I don't go for them pink here, but it's cute, nice. Hopefully the TV not too loud in the background. Jason and watch football. So the curtain them done iron certain stuff out of the way. Jason did all of the folding up. Telling about teamwork. You see teamwork? I'm not doing nothing more. No more cleaning up for right now. I'm gonna just start with dinner. So as I come home, took out the chicken out of the fridge, so I'm gonna do some curry chicken. And I also prepped all of these, so I'm gonna get right into cooking. So now that the chicken is cooking, I'm gonna prep the broccoli. Guys, I don't know how you do broccoli, but for me it's pretty simple, so don't judge me. But what I normally do is to put on a pot of water, season the water. Sometimes I use Maggi, complete season, and scallion, thyme, and some pepper flake, and then I put the broccoli in it to boil. I'm gonna boil it for a long time because I love when my broccoli crunchy. But comment and let me know how you guys do it. Let me know. I mean, if it's a case where I was doing stir fry and stuff like that, I wouldn't do it like that. But when I do it with like rice, especially curry, this is how I normally do it. Alright guys, so dinner is served. I wish me you catch the reaction earlier just to see the broccoli them in them plate and look for me. Tear out in my eye wide.
My name Brooklyn.
Broccoli. Ready for your dinner? Alright, may I come?
Broccoli.
Yeah, broccoli. Taste it, want a taste test.
Oh, you know, lad. I mean, you say I'm gonna think it's a bit terrible.
Nice, though.
You know, nice.
Don't nice?
But no, but you know taste bad.
Oh. When me the younger to me, they think it's gonna taste bad until me eat it.
Bro, Callaloo, it tastes better than Callaloo.
Yeah, to me too. But it tastes better than pak choi to me though.
No, because you love pak choi.
Well, probably.
I love it too, but it's not. Well, I depend on the gravy too.
So how is the food overall? Great. Guys, I never show you the whole process because when I see me cook curry chicken over and over and over. I don't know if you know by now, we love curry chicken and stew chicken in the house here.
No.
JC stew chicken.
No, I love anything we cook.
Okay.
Full stop.
So you don't rather stew chicken?
Yeah.
Oh. So JC is a stew chicken. These days I love curry.
I'm a stew chicken man.
Yeah, that's stew chicken man.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is bad. Whoa, you want more?
More with that.
That's your last piece of broccoli.
No, when I always do the things that I don't want me eat them first.
Okay.
So it's a discipline to make sure something eat it.
Oh. Alright, so I'm gonna eat my dinner. So yeah. Hey guys, good night. So I'm gonna end off Vlogmas day 1 right now. I'm so tired. I fell asleep in the sofa. So see you guys in Vlogmas day 2. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Bye guys.